Hello subscribers. In this series of Python programs, today I am going to create a simple project of the shell game. I hope everybody of you had once in a life played a shell game in which a ball is hidden under a cup and the three cups are shuffled randomly. Then the player has to choose in which of the cup the ball is hidden. Our game will be not like a graphical interface. The game is very simply coded to practice the Python. It will be like a terminal based. So let's move towards the code. As you can see, this is the code. First, I will demonstrate the game. Let's run this code. Okay. So in our case, the capital O will be our ball. So as you can see, the position of O now is in first position. Okay. And as we have run the game, run the program, the ball, that means the O is shuffled. Now we have to guess the position of O. So let's play the game. Wow, I won in the first attempt. Let's start once again. Now I'm going for the second position. Oops. Okay. As you can see, the correct position was position 0. So you can create this game by your own using this code. I'll explain this code in a brief way. Like to create this game, firstly, um, we have to initialize the position, like default position of the ball. This is the default position of the ball created using a list. Okay. Then for the player, we are going to print this default position. Now we will import a function from random library of shuffle to shuffle the position of balls. As you can see, we have imported shuffle function from random library to shuffle the position of the ball. In next step, we will be take an input from user to guess the position of the ball, and we are going to store the input in integer format. As we all know, when we take input, it stores the input taken from the player in string format. So we have used this integer function to convert string into integer, and we are storing the integer value in a guess. Guess is simply a variable. Okay. Next, we will check whether the guess is right or wrong. For that, we are using if else like else statement. First, if user entered any incorrect value, then this if statement will print out that the value entered, like position entered, is wrong. Later on, in this else if statement, it will be checked whether the at the guess position, like whatever value entered by the user, uh, in that index, default position is holding the ball or not. And if there is the ball, then it will print you won the game. Else, you will find the pop-up like oops, the correct position was and the default position, like after shuffling the position of ball. So this is a very simple game. On I can say in later videos, I am going to come with a much complex videos. So I am winding up this video, and I'll also share the link of this code in my description. Thank you. See you soon.